Good morning, good morning. Today is day 2. So, I'm gonna show you our backyard again at ang aking special na bintana at aking messing kusina. Lagi kong piniplex yan. I have a lot things to do today. Yan, that day pala, sorry, because it's already tapos na. Then, I show you the lababo. I have a lot of things to do that day because it's so very makalat. And look at my kitchen. It's so very madumi. Don't worry, it's organic. Look at my lababo, guys. So very madumi, so very messy because there's a lot of alikabok. So that's why, that's why. So look at my lababo, it's not yet done pa. Then a lot of plano here. I put some tiles. I have a bed sheet. So today, yeah, look at the kalat out there. It's so very makalat and very madumi look because it's so alikabok there. So I have a lot things to do that day because it's already done. So my hobby, look at my hobby is coloring the window. I'm not already doing voiceover when I'm taking this video because it's so very maingay. So that's why I'm making a voiceover. Charis! So today, I have a lot things to do because it's today. It's very makalat our bahay. Our bahay! So we coloring the window, the red window. So the monster were not going inside. Even there's no glass pa until now. So it makes so maganda naman when they have a coloring na there. So after that, I show you the no glass. It's a transparent window. So it's okay because it's mahal and it's normal part of the journey if you have making a bahay. So a little by little until it succeeds. So that's our window, the front house. Even our bahay is not yet done, we need to move na because it's starting to build a maraming memories there. So that's why even it's not yet finished, no door, it's okay, it's organic. It's part of the journey because there's a lot to pay naman and marami talaga tayong gastusin. That's why even it's the bahay is not already done, finished, fully finished, we need to move na. And it's normal naman here in Bicol namin. It's normal. It's normal that you don't have money to buy talaga the materials because it's so much expensive. So it's okay, little by little. So today, my daddy is going to fix the the main door. So because we need to get a doorknob, double lock, triple lock, or basta lock because the monster there is going inside our house because on this area there's a restricted area. There's a lot of mumu there. Some other people talking there have a mumu on our side. But it's okay lang naman. So that's our papa making the special doorknob. You cannot enter the doorknob there if you don't have the password. The doorknob have a password. My God, look at the door. So my papa also built this house. So I'm so very discounted and also very nakatipid for the labor. So even the bahay is not yet done and look at our window, it's cartoon. Cartoon, it's okay, it's normal. Soon if I have a Lotto winner soon. Charis. If I get mayaman na and I have a lot of money na, I will make my mansion to be very maganda. So I put, oh, look at the door. It's already butas na and we will put the doorknob na there. So my papa always doing that. If you want to have a furniture, you can message me. Promote. So that's why I very happy and very thankful because my papa always making this to us. So it's very nakatipid because the door is too much expensive. And also I buy the kahoy there. So most important on house, you have a bahay talaga. That's why. So after this, even we don't have lock pa, we go to move na in our bahay. It's okay lang naman. So I put some little kahoy there. So there are simpleng lock muna for the meantime. For the meantime. So, that's it. My papa making our doorknob. A lot of paulit-ulit na because I don't know what to say na talaga because it's very loading. So, look at the TV. I already put a satellite. Satellite? Even it's so expensive. It's okay lang kasi we need to make a satellite because we don't use our TV there. Sayang naman because it's already fully paid na sa home credit. So, that's it. So, I have a lot of things to do here in our bahay. It's so very messy pa. There's no linoleum pa. There's no tiles. There's no pintura pa there. But it's okay because it's already built na as bahay and we can sleep na there and make a baby. Make a baby. Make a lot of memories na there. So, guys, kung gusto nyo talaga, even you don't have a lot of money, you need to start your house na bahay because pa little you can build it. Look at my bahay, it's almost 3 years, going to 3 years. I build it by little, like kitchen, on the dining area, a little by little until it succeed. So, this bahay is so very a lot of credit. Yeah, may bahay already gawa-gawa because of I already credit to the people. Thank you so much to the people that credit on me. Credit on me. I had a lot of I have a lot of shy na because I have a lot of credit. But it's okay, guys. This is what you credit to me. Credit. Yeah, this is bahay is from credit card. Credit card. Credit people. So, thank you, guys. I'm gonna pay you soon naman talaga pag nakaluwag-luwag na me. So, now, I have a lot of I have a lot of utang to pay, the priority and majority. So from now, I need to pay you guys a little by little, okay? So don't worry. Soon, after the years come, I already paid na the utang. Then I will utang ulit. So because I a lot of I a lot of plan on this house. So we cook because we have a lot because we don't have money now, we cook sardinas and ubo. We already tipid that day and look at the view. That's the view when it's evening. Malamang it's evening na. So that's the view. I have a lot of struggling on this house. Look at my gasol. It's so very messy. And the door is already malapit to tapos na. Look at my youngest child. So he doing a performance. Asa na? Wala pa? Ayasin mo. Oh, dali. O, magagulay ka. Ano, lutuin mo ba? Gulay ka? Gulay. Hindi ka pa pagod? Oh, dali na, tapos na. Isus yan. Oh, pagod na si Boy? Hindi pa man. Hindi ka pa pagod. Asus, dali, para mawala yung pagod. Inom na muna. Dali. Inom, dali. Dali, inom na. Lagay na. Gasolina muna. Napagod na. Lagay mo muna sa baba. Lagay mo sa baba. Yan. Pipe. Kabog. Isus. Pagod na? Hindi ka mapagod. Wala ka pa nga na to. Isus, naggasolina? Papagod ikaw? Ha? Pagod? Bakit na ginawa mo? Ba't ka pagod? Tama na. Tama na muna. Tapusin mo na yung kabog mo. Tapos na, dali. Napagod ang baby ni mama. Pagod ano? Love you naman. Puy, love you. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye na, dali. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.